The Nike Air Max Premium in light British tan, velvet brown, and black takes the classic Air Max 90 silhouette and elevates it with premium materials and intricate details. The standout feature is the wood grain pattern on the brown suede overlays, adding a subtle shimmer and natural depth. Layered mesh underlays vary in density, while black accents create soft shadows, enhancing the overall contrast. The muted black swoosh keeps the design grounded, and the uniquely carved heel gives the rear foot a fresh, three-dimensional look. A black sole with a transparent air unit adds a small yet striking highlight, and circular graphics on the tongue and insole extend the premium feel inside. Carefully placed panels around the laces and toe create a layered visual effect that draws the eye forward. With overlapping British tan and velvet brown tones, this reworked Air Max 90 combines warmth, depth, and meticulous craftsmanship, making it a standout for both streetwear and everyday style.